What's up, sweet people of the internet? This is the second video out of like 10 I'm doing that shows you exactly how I turned a $25 product, okay, through affiliate marketing into over 20 grand. Okay, you've landed on the second video. It'll be right here. Okay, this is the first video right here. So if you're new, I would suggest you go back and watch that, or you're going to be kind of lost. Or you can watch this all the way through and go back to that and just start one by one. It'll look like this. This is the old series, and 90% of the content, 85-90% of the content is in this. But there's a few minor differences. Social media platforms change, things like that. Things I've learned over the past year that I'm going to implement in this new series, okay, guys? But if you want to go balls to the wall and get ahead, you can binge watch this, okay, instead of Netflix or whatever, cat videos. And just go day by day, step by step, and just copy my business, okay? And you might be asking, why are you allowing people to copy your business for free and not selling a course? Well, the reason I'm doing that is I use this as a training platform, YouTube. I go and find products online through affiliate marketing, and if I'm successful with them, I come back and share with you guys, okay? And also, I had a Zoom call about a month ago with Alex Hormozy, okay? One of my mentors promoted his book, his new book, and he was 4 out of the top 5. So Alex Hormozy went and spoke to each of these 5 people's groups, and I just so happened to be in my mentor's group. And he explained the best way in affiliate marketing is to just give a shit ton of value up front for everybody. Okay? So what I'm doing is, you want to over-deliver where people are thinking to themselves, well, shit, damn, I'll be stupid if I don't do this. You got to make your offer so good, okay? So I'm just giving away my course for free instead of charging, $447, $997, all that. You've seen them out there. So that's exactly what I'm doing. And I just make my money off the affiliate links, okay? Because most courses, you're going to have to buy. And then when you buy them, they're going to suggest tools and products you're going to need for affiliate marketing. And it's their link, so they make money off the course and the affiliate marketing. Okay, guys? So with that being said, this is the product. It's a funnel builder. And it's just $25, okay? $25, and you get 80% commissions. 80% commissions. With that being said, one sell, okay, can turn into 75 grand, 2, 150, 3, $250,000 per week. Just one sell per week, 2 gets this, and 3 gets damn near $250,000 per year. Okay, so you can see how this can stack. The reason it's so lucrative is because it's a subscription-based product. Okay, so you get money each and every month. It's like a what do they call it? Dash Pass subscription or a Disney Plus subscription people pay, okay? Each and every month. So that's why it can stack each and every month. For example, here's what I've made. I made $21,000. Let's refresh this real quick. People like to mess with the numbers and stuff. You know how they do. But basically, so I made $200 October 3rd, $120 October 4th, and this just comes in each and every month, okay? So if we go back to last October, 2022, what's today's date? The 5th? Dang, my birthday's in 10 days. You can see I made 21 grand so far this year with this, okay? And you can see how this just... See how when I first started, it was kind of slow, and then it starts to gradually build up? Okay, that's the power of subscription-based. And that's why it's so powerful. So with that being said, I'm going to show you in this series exactly how to do it. And you can just copy my business. Step by step, click by click. I'm going to be sharing my screen just like this. I'm going to show you how to set up your funnel builder. I'm going to show you how to set up your autoresponder. I'm going to give you emails for your autoresponder. I'm going to give you all the resources you need. I'm going to leave a link below. It's going to have a checklist, okay? And it's all the resources you're going to need. I'm trying to make this as easy as possible for people because I understand. A year ago, I had no idea what affiliate marketing was until I found some guy on YouTube, okay? So if I can do it, anybody can do it. Now, we're going to be using the power of the internet. So we're going to be using YouTube. We're going to be using Instagram, okay? We're going to be using Facebook, okay? We're going to be using YouTube Shorts, which is really powerful. Now, you got to think YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world behind Google, okay? And then we're going to use those to promote our links. Okay, this is your SAM card that you get with this program. It shows you your commissions, everything, and it's where your links are housed. So this is what we're going to be doing, okay? And you do not have to show your face at all. You don't have to show your face. But think about this. I know people that are making 10 grand per month not showing their face, which is good, okay? But you got to think, would you trust me if, see this little bubble down there in the bottom right of my corner? If I remove that and showing you all this, would you trust me less or trust me more? That's something you've got to think about. Because that's what other people think about when they click on these videos, okay? So with that being said, I'm going to show you the product. The product is HBA. And if you want to go ahead and get started, you'll be on the video, obviously. And I don't know if you're on mobile or not, but it'll be in the description. I think the mobile has a little arrow instead of more. Well, you just click that, and here's the steps. That's how you get started right there. You just click that. It'll take you to the sales page. Of course, you're going to watch that video, guys. It's awesome. Okay? Then just hit yes, I want access for just 25 bucks. Fill out all your information, your card number. I got a few, but just put your card number in and click this. This is for the free 14-day test drive of Premium, guys. Premium's $125 per month. Okay, that's the upsell. And like I said, you get 80% commission. So it's right here, $125. Okay, $125 you pay, and you get $100 commissions. But you have to own the $125 in order to be $100 commissions eligible, okay? For example, let's say you get 2 people in there, 25 bucks, okay? That's for the funnel builder, see? Funnel builder, okay? And then premiums for the traffic and conversion training, which is awesome. I'll show you that here in a second. But like I said, you get 80%, so that's $100 commissions. Okay, let's say you get 2 people in at 25. They want the funnel builder because they want to promote products. So basically, you'll get the $20 commission because you own the funnel builder, okay? But let's say that person takes this free trial and they decide they like it and they want to be eligible for a $100 commission. So they sign up for that and start paying monthly on it, $125. Well, you only own the funnel builder, okay? You will not get paid for the guy that decided to go premium because you're not premium yourself. So you have to own the product to be eligible for it. So with that being said, I would at least do the 14-day free test drive. And if you don't like it on the 13th day, just cancel it. They'll send you an email, I think a day before, asking you if you still want to be premium, okay? They do that every month, even if you are past the trial. So if you decide you don't like it and you don't like paying that much, you go ahead and cancel it. That's what I would do, okay? But I at least sign up for the 14-day free trial. I would at least do that. With that being said, here's the premium. Let me go over here to premium. This shows you everything, guys. It's awesome. Target marketing, how to do your lead magnet, It goes over pre-traffic, okay? It goes over free traffic, simple, free, unlimited leads with Facebook. It shows you podcasting if you want to do that. YouTube ranking, short form video lead generation, which we're going to be going over as well. Paid traffic, okay? Facebook ads, solo ads, text messaging leads, which, you know, I don't do. I have a Facebook group, and they add, it's just awesome. They got Monday Night Marketing, 8, 9 a.m. Daily Rich Call, TNC Mastermind. There's millionaires in these groups that teach you what they know. So if you want to, birds of a feather flock together. So if you want to keep scratching with the turkeys, you won't fly with the eagles. So you always want to be in a room where you're not the smartest person. That's how I view it, okay? And of course, they get with premium, you get the Emerson Magic Machine. This is what I use to write my emails for me, okay? Or you can do anything. Write me a poem about affiliate marketing. And you can go Emerson, and he'll write you one. Look, working alone, but never. I mean, you could be like, this is what I do though. I say, write me a whatever I'm writing about, high converting email about the home-based business academy. And then you can hit go, and then of course he's going to generate what he generates, okay? So it gives you the subject line, boom, right there, and the body. And then of course you can tweak it and tailor it if you want to, okay? It shows you where to put your URL. It's awesome, okay? And of course they feed starving children, which is awesome. But I just wanted to show you that. That's what premium is, but it's awesome. And you'll be eligible for the $100 commissions. And it's a funnel builder, which you're going to need because you're going to need landing pages. Okay, let me go ahead and log in here and show you what it's about. Here's the funnel builder. This is a $25 product, guys. 25 bucks, and you get 80% commissions. And in your funnel builder, you can build landing pages. See how I built this landing page right here? And you can have unlimited funnels down here. Okay, here's your funnel. And you can add pages, guys. This is drag and drop. This isn't like you got a code and you got to be techie. I'm not techie. This is so user friendly. Like, let's say you have a membership site. You want to start a membership site. Well, you just go down here to membership course and you can just implement your videos. It's drag and drop. You just click on this and there's a little settings button and you can just type the URL where you want the video to go. It's awesome. Or download the video directly in there. And then you can change these texts in here to whatever you want. Let's say, you know, you're in the health and fitness niche, affiliate marketing. This is how you can promote your course or anything like that. Okay, link pages. You've heard of Linktree. You've seen them on Instagram. Well, boom, right here. You can change the background here, the lettering, the shapes of these, everything. It's drag and drop. Now watch. See, and then you can name the page, all that. It's awesome. So like right here, I can come up in here, edit. I can, you know, do what I change the font. It's literally easy. You can move them. You know what I'm saying? Any way you want to do it, it's not that hard. Then this button, you just put your link in here, type it next, you know, if you want it to go to a link, just enter your link in there. Boom, done. It's that simple, guys. And I don't want to click this because it shows people's names, but it's directly connected to your autoresponder. So when people enter their email, it goes directly to your autoresponder, which I use GetResponse because you can plug it in easy. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, okay? So, this is the product, the $25 all-in-one business, guys. And in the next video, we're going to be going over how to set up your funnel builder.